This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Matt.herrick. Honey, stop the car. This is it. Beautiful home in a wonderful, quiet neighborhood. Open floor plan, cathedral ceiling. Updated kitchen and bathrooms. HVAC less than 2 years old is almost brand new. New water heater, newer windows west/transferable warranty. New laminate floors, fenced backyard. Large deck in the front and small deck off of the kitchen. Backs up to open acreage in the backyard. For more information, review the details below or contact Matt.herrick at 757-639-8725.